Hi friends, welcome to Ern's World. So this is the 98th episode in the geography series. So today we're going to discuss about another country of the world, and that is Uganda. Yes. So it's a landlocked country in Africa. Yes. So there's a big lake over here and a small lake here as well, but I will not count it. So you can also count it here because why not? For some reason in many maps it is also included Lake Victoria. So this is the one and only Uganda. Great. So now as usual we're going to start by looking at the bordering nations. So first in the north there is South Sudan. Just our friendly neighbor SS. Yes. So meanwhile in the west there's the one and only DRC, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Yeah, the second largest nation in Africa. So meanwhile to the east, to the opposite side, there is Kenya, K-E. And in the south there are two nations, Rwanda over here, or W, and Tanzania. There's Burundi here, that's why I left a gap. So TZ. Yes. So this is, wait, I'll just draw some of the border of the Lake Victoria as well. So yeah, these are the bordering nations of the country known as Uganda. So let's begin. So the population of the country is about, guess it, 7 million people. 47 million people. Style. Yes. So which makes it the 31st most populous country in the world. Meanwhile, it has land area of 241,000 square kilometers, making it the 79th largest country in the whole world. Yes. So yeah. Okay. That is practically all stats. So the currency the country uses is the Ugandan shilling, based off the pound sterling. I mean, the old currency of Britain was the shilling, and the British colonized these people of Uganda. So it might be some culture from their old colonizers. Yes. So now let's look at the geography. I like geography, that's why you started this. So on both sides of the country there is mountain ranges. Most of them might not actually be here. I'll just use another color. Green is completely running out. So about here and about here. Kenya is, yeah, the name is kind of vandalized. Okay. So meanwhile many major cities of the country lie over here, including the capital city itself, Kampala. Yes. So most major cities lie near Lake Victoria, and also a major thing inside this country is that the one and only Nile River runs through it. Yes, so the Nile River runs through here and finally reaches Lake Victoria, where it finally ends its journey. Not the whole Nile River though. So the Nile River has to it starts, sorry. So not the whole Nile River. The Nile River will just merge into the Nile River, which we know today. And so it has tributaries, the Blue Nile and the White Nile. So the White Nile is the one which comes here. Yes. So most of the country comes under the Nile River basin. Yes, that means water which kind of comes here will eventually flow through to the Nile River. Yes. Meanwhile, this small region is covered by other smaller rivers. Yes. It's under the basin of other small rivers, that is. Yes. So that is kind of just the geography of the country. Now let's just take a small sneak peek at the climate of the country. So most of the country has a tropical savanna climate. Yes. So about here in the southern part. Meanwhile, this small region here has a tropical monsoon climate, because why not? I mean, it's a rainforest. And the transition region here has a tropical monsoon climate. Meanwhile, there are small regions in the north and some regions here where it's kind of a desert. And in some of the mountainy regions as well, there are polar climates. Yes, polar, which and we're not close to the poles at all. We're miles away from there. Yes. Okay. So that is just kind of all the geography and climate this country has to offer. So now let's look at the one and only economy. So as I told before, the currency is the Ugandan shilling. So most of the country's economy, that means mainly the exports, are from exporting desert. One and only. So the second main one is just oil, which is refined and then exported. So other countries give this country just normal oil, which is not refined. So this country will kind of refine it and just export it away. Yes. So I'll just quickly explain it again. So this country will buy oil from other nations, which is crude, and then refine and sell it to others. Simple. It's kind of confusing to just say some oil, but still this is how oil gets refined, because the crude oil making countries can't refine because they kind of don't know. Some of them don't know. Yes, it's too expensive for them. So Uganda kind of does some of that refining. Yes. So that is just the economy of the country. So yeah, this is for today about the one and only. Sorry, I forgot about the first place in the economy. So the first biggest export of the country is coffee. Yes. So I forgot that one part. So yeah, this for today about the country of Uganda. Bye.